Gentlemen, this is big breaking news coming in from the world of sport. Boxer Lavina Burgoyne, an Olympic medalist no less, has alleged that she was humiliated and disrespected by the Boxing Federation's executive director Arun Malik. In her letter, Lavina is claiming she is deeply hurt and disheartened. Now, the Boxing Federation member has rejected the allegations, but India's Olympic body has started a probe. Now the BFI says it will be filing for an RTI asking for the recording of this Zoom meeting that Lavina is so upset about. Karishma is joining me live on the broadcast. Karishma, help us understand what exactly is going on here.
Well, yes, absolutely. Now, this Zoom call happened on the 8th of July. There is a tournament for which Lavina Burgoyne wants her personal coach to travel with her, and this meeting was to sort out these particular issues because BFI was of the opinion that there will be only central coaches that will be traveling, or other athletes, other boxers would also start making demands of personal coaches traveling with them. So to sort this out, there was a Zoom meeting that was organized, and in that particular meeting, Lavina Burgoyne says that retired Colonel Arun Malik misbehaved with her, spoke to her in an authoritarian tone which reeked of gender discrimination, and was also very, very humiliating for Lavina Burgoyne. She goes on to say that she was also told to lower her head, which she describes as gender discrimination. What she's saying is that if this was a male boxer, he probably wouldn't have spoken the same way. But the person in question has denied all the allegations. In fact, he goes on to say that this was a Zoom meeting which has audio recording and video recording, and they can in fact go ahead and make it public. The Sports Authority of India, they in fact asked for the recording. It wasn't provided to them. So now sources say that they are going to ask for it under RTI, so that BFI's point of view is also clear, because this particular official is very, very confident that he did not misbehave with Lavina.
Okay.